Protect your walls with adhesive felt pads. Easy! Coffee grounds are a powerful, all-natural insect repellent. Here's how to use them to keep pests away from your plants. A smart way to reseal a packet of bread without using rubber bands or pegs. Perfectly sealed. This handy lanyard can be used to hang your water bottle from your backpack. Drop-proof. If you don't use all the contents in a sachet, cut it like this. This way, you can easily reseal it before storing it away. Smart. No clips on a hanger? Use document clips. If a glove doesn't fit snugly, it could slip off and your hands could get wet. Keep it on by using a rubber band. This is the correct way to remove the label. Wow! Don't use a measuring cup like this. Simply punch a hole in the lid to make a handy dispenser. You simply must try this hack to clean your windows. Cut a sponge with a box cutter at the points marked by the highlighter and you're done. A creative idea for recycling plastic bottle caps. Just one cut and the cap transforms into an original toothbrush holder. Did you know that you can put a roll of Scotch tape into a microwave to quickly find the end? Give it a try.